What's up, everyone? Welcome back to an episode of Prince's World. And today, we're going to the dealership to have a key made for this vehicle. Now, I won't get your hopes up. This episode, we're not going to be taking apart the engine. Unfortunately, we have to wait for the dealership to order us a new key. That'll take 3 days. So today, after we get this vehicle's key processed, we're going to have some cleanup to do. That's right. Right now, our work area is very, very dirty. As a professional person as I am, I don't enjoy all that dirty. So what we have to do is clean up this huge mess that is messing up my work table. As you can see, all this dirty is a no good. And that's why we settled the Acadia. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait for somebody else to fix that thing because it's not as easy as I thought it would be, and it's more difficult than I anticipated. But anyway, what we have to do now is get this whole place cleaned up. Also get the floor over there all cleaned up from all the bolts and screws lying around the place. Pop the tire on that boy, and next thing I know, I have to get a new tire replaced because the hole is actually way too big. But anyway, right now, the task at hand is to get a new key made for that Volvo. So everybody, we already have all the paperwork needed, and we'll head straight to the dealership. So everybody, stay tuned. So here I am at Volvo. I already spoke to the appropriate people, had all the information sorted out. Now I'm just sitting there in that waiting room, waiting to get my key made and ordered. So when the right person comes here, I just want to talk to you guys and show you what's going on. So everybody, it's the next day. Well, actually, 2 days later. Okay, so what happened at the Volvo dealership is they said they'll make me a key, but it'll be here by next week. That's why we'll make today cleanup day. So now we have everything sorted out for the Volvo. Everything's good. It's time to clean up this entire space, make it as professional as I would like it to be. So everybody, let's get to cleaning up this place. So everybody, what we have right here is called a magnetic floor sweeper. It takes the labor out of picking up push room and picking up all the loose bolts and nuts scattered around the area over there. I'm so glad I was able to get this because this saves me a whole lot of time, so I can hopefully take care of that table today. But if not, it's good. We'll catch you in another video because Time's running out for me again. One thing that hardworking people always lose is time. But it seems the way I tighten the bolts for the wheels, it seems as if I tighten them up too tight. That's not a problem. I'll fix that up. But for now, let's get to cleaning up that area. Alright everybody, that was just the first pass, and my god, look at that. The thing picked up even the rusted pieces. That's some strong magnetism if you ask me. Like for even this big bolt picked it up. I'm just impressed with this thing so far. But like I said, it's only good enough to take like so much in one pass. So we have to take another pass and let's see how much we pull up this time. So everybody, we're done with the sweeping, and let me tell you, that sweeper is amazing. It just picks up everything, even the rusted pieces. You know, now it's time to get to the work area. This stuff is disgusting, it's getting on my nerve. I can't put anything on here. My roll around car right there, I just can't keep on doing that. So let's get this trash can and just clear this place up. Everybody, check that out. A nice clean work tip with no obstructions. This is all I asked for but couldn't get to. I'm glad I finally found the time to fix this all up. I'm just loving this thing because look at that. It just picks up all those little pieces just like nothing. Oh my god, this thing is metal free now. So I won't get any metal splinters. Anyway, all that's left to clean up all this junk. But unfortunately, my trash can is now full. So we have to find another way to clean it up. So everybody, all that's left to do is just do it. Let's hop on it. See? Check that out. Nice and clean. Later I'll come back and get a push broom and clean all this up. On top of that, I found another for sale sign. I'm happy about that. Okay, so everybody, now that the workplace is clean, all that's left to do is get the cicada up. And like I said in the last video, I'm not going to be the guy that fixes it, unfortunately. Yeah, I was doing over my head concerning that vehicle. Hopefully by the next video I can get on that Volvo and start taking apart that engine bay. But if I can't, hey, it is what it is. But that doesn't mean I'm going to leave you guys without another vehicle. I do have another vehicle that I have sitting up waiting to get fixed up. I'm not going to tell you what it needs or what's happened to it, but I guarantee you there's something in store for you guys. It's a vehicle that's pretty much discontinued, but still loved. But you know, with that being said, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn your bell notification, you know if I put up a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of that Volvo, then check me out on Instagram at Princess World. With that being said, until next time, Prince out.